how to use broadcast and on message. For anyone who has previous experience with any form of programming, these two blocks basically allow you to create and call a function, except that you can't add parameters. Broadcast is an action block, meaning it directly changes something. It only has one property, message. Think of message as a name for your broadcast. For now, broadcast won't do anything. That's because we need to catch the broadcast through another block. For that, we use onMessage. This block also has one parameter. This is where you can put the same name that you used in the broadcast block. Whenever the broadcast gets triggered, it activates every onMessage block that contains the same message. They also work across scripts. This means you can broadcast on one script and catch on the other. If you wish to learn more, check the documentation, link in the description.